Hi guys! Good morning everyone! Happy Wednesday! Guys, flex ko lang itong gift nilang flowers sa akin. Alam kasi nila, favorite ko ang flowers. Nung time ng COVID guys, my gosh, pinagkagastusan ko talaga. Kaya lang, nang maaksidente ako, ayun, namatay lahat guys, napabayaan ko. Yan guys, oh. Ganda talaga ng orchids. Yan. Yan guys. Yan. Yan guys, ang gaganda nila. Yan. Bye guys. Bye everyone. Love you guys. Bye.